Oh, somebody call 911. Ninja down. This morning, me and my son are headed up to Lake Berryessa, Pleasure Cove, to meet a fellow YouTuber, Real Ninja. And we're gonna do some fishing today. Hopefully we get on some crappie, maybe some catfish and trout, but who knows? Let's see what the day has in store. Sure do. Probably a crappie too. Is it? No, I haven't seen it yet. I'm not cheating. I'm not cheating. Oh, that is a big ass trout. Holy shit. That's like fucking 20 inches. Yeah. Yeah. Oh shit. Damn. That's a monster fucking trout, man, on these Notorious custom jigs.
Big Shticks.
That is a big ass trout. I haven't caught one this big in a while. Yeah, probably a trout again. It felt heavy too when I set the hook. Woo, it's a big bass. Shit.
That thing just jumped. I hope I got it on camera. Hold on a second, babe.
That's a big bass, man. Huh?
Ooh, that's a nice bass.
Jesus Christ.
Let's go, dude.
That shit's like 8-9 pounds. Holy shit. What do you mean throw them that way?
Lumber, bro.
I got 3-pound test on here. I can't really fucking horse it.
Dude,
You got one online.
you just hooked a monster on 3-pound test.
Yep. on a crappie jig.
Let me get right here. Right here.
Oh, he's done. Nope, he's diving down.
He's coming.
Oh,
Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
oh, don't let him go under. Well, I guess it doesn't matter, huh?
Did you see the bite, Derek?
No, it's sick.
Yeah.
That pole's right behind your foot.
Damn.
Coming right back in the green. Ooh, you're trying to jump in the boat.
I know.
Oh my god, bro. Oh my god.
Hey, it's them cams. How you got that cam?
I do have the cam action hook on there. Are you coming up over there?
Is your camera on?
Yeah.
Yeah. Beautiful fish.
Nice, dude.
Nice.
That is a hog.
Yeah.
Damn, this cam really in there, boy.
Yeah.
Damn.
Beautiful fish.
Good job, man.
Hell yeah.
Man, for a person who don't like bass, huh?
I don't. I like catching them, but
That's a
I don't,
good 5-6 pounds.
I don't like fishing for them.
Send it. Take a picture. Send it to my phone.
God, man. Okay.
That was cool, man.
Man, that is a chunk.
That is a chunky motherfucker. You see him in the picture? That motherfucker look hella fat in the picture on the portrait mode.
Dude, I was like jigging that shit hella crazy.
Fucking
And then
around.
all of a sudden the pole just boom. And I was like, oh.
Yeah, I felt you. I seen you set the hook. I heard it.
All right, we're gonna let this chunk
I
go.
was a little further away, so I don't know how good it was.
Go. Goodbye.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're hardy fish, man.
this world, not your run of the millin'. My name is Furrow, I'm the owner of the building.
Nice, man.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thanks.
Good fish right there. I didn't think there was any fish here.